What's something people don't know about investing? It's easier than you think to get started. Did you know nearly 70% of millennials feel lost when it comes to investing? You're not alone, but don't worry. Mastering a few key strategies can make a world of difference. First, let's talk index funds. These are like a sampler platter for stocks, tracking a whole market index like the S&P 500. Low fees, less hassle. Next up, robo-advisors. Think of them as your virtual financial sidekick, managing a diversified portfolio based on your goals. And don't forget sustainable investing. Put your money into companies making a positive impact on the world and your wallet. Here's the kicker. Start early and diversify. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Spread your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Got a strategy that works for you? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips. Happy investing.